They call it the Silent Angel, the Predator, the Reaper. It's the U.S. military's most iconic drone, a shadow in the sky capable of raining down hell from miles away. But beyond the headlines and hype, there are secrets lurking beneath the Reaper's sleek exterior. Secrets that could change the way you see this controversial weapon. Here are 3 secret facts about the MQ9 Reaper drone. 1. Operates at 50,000 feet for 27 hours. Manufactured by General Atomics, the MQ9 Reaper drone soars at altitudes of 50,000 feet, boasting a remarkable endurance of over 27 hours. Packed with advanced cameras, sensors, and radar, it serves as a formidable intelligence-gathering platform. Boasting a 66-foot wingspan and powered by Honeywell engines, the MQ9 Reaper can pack a punch with its 3,900-pound fuel capacity and reach speeds of up to 274 miles per hour. First introduced to the U.S. Air Force over 16 years ago, the versatile Reaper can be armed with air-to-ground missiles for offensive operations. Beyond the military, the MQ9 has found diverse users, including the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, NASA, and Air Forces in Britain, Italy, France, and Spain. 2. The operational cost is only $50 million per hour. Drones generally cost less than manned aircraft with similar capabilities and offer increased safety for the operator since they don't require a pilot on board. Unlike most other aircraft, drones can stay airborne for hours, performing intelligence gathering. A drone flight hour costs around $3,500, compared to $8,000 for operating an F-16, according to General Atomics. Additionally, the U.S. Air Force reports that 4 MQ-9 aircraft equipped with sensors, ground control stations, and satellite links cost around $56 million. 3. Capable of detecting every threat. The Reaper is equipped with a range of sensors that enhance its situational awareness and threat detection capabilities. These sensors include electro-optical infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence systems. These sensors enable the Reaper to monitor areas of interest, track moving targets, and gather valuable intelligence to support military operations. General Atomics claims the MQ-9 has demonstrated air-to-air weapon capabilities in Air Force trials. Additionally, the aircraft can be equipped with a self-protect pod capable of detecting threats and deploying countermeasures against surface-to-air weapons. The MQ-9 Reaper drone is a highly advanced and versatile platform, equipped with a wide array of features that enable it to perform various missions, including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike. In addition, its integration into a remotely piloted aircraft system further enhances its operational capabilities, making it a valuable asset for the U.S. Air Force and other organizations that have acquired it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this.